Children, let's learn the letters A to D. This is big letter A. Capital or big letter A and small letter A. Let's write the letter A. Start here. 1, 2, 3. Small letter A, start here. Make a curve. 1, then 2. What sound does A make? Letter A says A. A. Can you see the letter A? Good job. This is the letter A. How about this? That's great. This is the letter A. That's great. This is the letter A, the big letter A. Now, can you see the letter A or the small letter A? Good job. This is the small letter A. How about this? That's great. This is the small letter A. Good job. Small letter A. Can you spot the letter A? Small letter A, small letter A, and another small letter A. Good job. Spot the letter A, the big letter A. Did you see it? Good job. Big A, and another A. Now, which picture starts with the letter A? Your answer is alligator. Good job. Another one. Which picture starts with the letter A? Good job. X. X. Next, which picture starts with the letter A? That's great. Ambulance. Ambulance. Now, let's think about words that start with the letter A. For example, ant, arrow, anchor, altar. Good job, children. Now, let's recognize the letter B. Big B. Big letter B and small letter B. Let's write the letter B. Start here. 1, and then 2, and then 3. Small letter B, start here. 1, and then 2. What sound does B make? B says B, B. Please repeat, children. B. Good job. Can you see the letter B? The big letter B? That's great. B. Another one. Can you see the letter B? Good job. B. Next. Good job. B. Now, can you see the small letter B? That's great. This is the small letter B. Another one. small letter B. Another one, small letter B. Good job, children. Now, can you spot the letter B or the small letter B? Here's one, small letter B, another letter B, another one. Good job, children. Now, can you spot the big letter B? Here's the big letter B, and another big letter B. Good job, children. Which picture starts with the letter B? Your answer is bear. Good job. Bear starts with letter B. The sound is B, B. Another one. Which picture starts with the letter B? Your answer is good job. Banana. Banana starts with letter B. B, B. Which picture starts with the letter B? Your answer is B. Good job. B. Let's think about words that start with the letter B, or the sound is B, B. For example, ball, bell, balloon, boat. Let's recognize the letter C, the big letter C. Big letter C and small letter C. Let's write the letter C. Start here. Make a curve. Small letter C. That's it. Now, what sound does C make? C says K, K. Please repeat, children. K. Good job. Can you see the letter C? That's great. This is the letter C, the big letter C. How about this? Can you see the letter C? Good job. This is the letter C, the big letter C. That's great. This is the letter C. Can you see the small letter C? That's great. This is the small letter C. How about this? Good job. This is the small letter C. That's great. Small letter C. Now, can you spot the letter C? The small letter C? Small letter C, another one, and another one. These are the small letters C. Good job. Can you spot the big letter C? Big letter C. Good job, children. Now, which picture starts with the letter C? That's great. It's a cow. Which picture starts with the letter C? Great job. It's a camel. Which picture starts with the letter C? That's great. Carrot. Let's think about words that start with the letter C or with a beginning sound K, K. For example, K, cart, car, K, cat, comb. Good job, children. Now, let's recognize the letter D, capital or big letter D. Big letter D and small letter D. Let's write the letter D. Start here, 1, then 2. Small letter D, start here, 1, make a curve, then 2. Now, what sound does D make? D says D, D. Please repeat, children. Good job. D. Now, can you see the letter D or the big letter D? That's great. Big letter D. Another one. This is the big letter D. This is the big letter D. Good job, children. Now, can you see the small letter D? That's great. This is the small letter D. Small letter D. Good job, children. Can you spot the letter D, the small letter D? That's great. Can you spot the big letter D? Good job. Which picture starts with the letter D? Good job. It's a dog. Which picture starts with the letter D? That's great. It's a dolphin. Another one. Good job. It's a duck. Now let's think about words that start with the letter D or D sound. For example, doll, dot, dig, door. Good job, children. Remember, children, letter A says a. Letter B says b. Letter C says k. Letter D says d. A, b, k, d. Good job, children.